Kerisia kia Kisii Cathedral Father Lawrence Nyaanga ni golit kulialera twaro mujega okugo chengera okoiburo kwaye asabeire wiki miaka 55 akuru okoiburo nago chengera boige miaka 35 yobokoreri ebwe Kerisia
Omusasiroti oyo Lawrence Nyaanga ni ganyale kobaga kobase omustali omutweli kwenekia buno nyale kobaga koruanerera na boigo kwenekia buna onyale kobaga gosira emerobelio yogo Siria ebinywewa biri bitanje irigati yabo amarwa asabego litkolia lero anyara koba koboria serikali nyara koba kubwaterana na abagambi helio kwenekia buna ebinywewa ebi byanyale kobigo sirwa kegima asoko niwa anene mbarabare amone chiskuru gati yabo chi university
muri keito dipana sanya nekirana sekerisi kyo natigatoiwe na raia yatwariganiretie
Lendo twaka bujanga abarali baitumwa ikirega kurasi nyomba chetu choborali biyamano.
Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you.
Haso mojega bogo chengera okuiburo wa Father Lawrence Nyaanga imeye parish ya Cathedral. Nigo ago kire miaka 52 kuruo kuiburo kwaye ni miaka 35 asobokoreri wekelisia.
When I remember the many years that I've lived in this world, there are so many things that I've seen. And this family are the parents. Even when they are not there, I still cherish them because they brought me up in a Christian way of life until I embraced the ministry or priesthood where I'm working. And I've worked for many years in this ministry. Actually, this year, come October 27th, I'll be turning 35 years. But today, I'm celebrating 62 years since I was born.
Chinga kecho ni gagendera kubwatuka hige kurega tindiko cha sobo tumekiwe byugwa bitancheiri na kubolia serikali koba maiso.
The government has also now come in where we have the deputy president and also the minister for internal, security, who has said that all licenses have to be withdrawn so that people can get this anew. But when we look around, what we see, actually, we say that it's the government really serious because what they are saying and what we see is not the same. Because they have said it, but we see bars are open, all those kiosks selling wines and spirits are there, and you see people in the villages, they are brewing changa.
Komentana yue ni gaboli abantu kubwaterana kurua chinsemo chiensi eliogotoria amagima yabange abubasireire asebinyugwa
kali kiyatebire na mokonyi bw'omurayi bwensi katebire naende omo bwasiri bwoborende katebire oika abantu bayimokerere igoro omo commissioner bwe county buna bono Kisii anga igaminyogete kerase kibarasa korosia arangeria aba DC bonsi sub county arangeria aba ACC division arangeria abagambi bonsi abantu bayiche barwe birengereri baboliwe ekenyoreke buna twatebetenga ebirabu byonse bisiekire abantu bamotebi ngayaya bisiekire ngai bitasasieko bagende bakoro bisieko ine renjerokera kolegasi lakini ngakonya ukwana kuruchio bisi ganto okonya kende
nonye nabo egetambokero keganire kurwa serikali tigakebe ekiamakora kulinde tali ekyo gukwana bosaigo
nakitwara gotebanga none mesoko tainya sore no erosiri ekonyo ruwe town ekoni woro bono twaburinga dende ntwara konyo gakino n'abantu aboborendi tonyora abantu gite yani bare raye aboborendi bagotare town baeta bakase chipasi station chire baroranga binto kibikoni woro ikene twara gusabanga inerenchera joka torarwania mangana yana toyasiri lakini sio toka kwana kuribiro ho bisto karanse to statement ndokonyara yona kiyako ereka rimo iburenga toimukire twaende goitera enere sababu toko enda twachi goitera ekiagara ntomanyetenga ense yega tomenyete ne karu yo monene dotagetie saliwe una yesa chitaka sali abantu banenge karume na ntwe toko nto sali abantu bakoni chisumu ngamwa sikuita abantu banyasa.
Ginko ripoteri ya getasene kia Ndizi TV kurua se parish ya Cathedral yukutoke meye county ya Kisii eletaria nendi pon asanya.